Today we're really just getting started on this job. We've got a lot to do. And so what we're focusing on today is really getting a walkway with a retaining wall and some raised beds into this side of the house. So if you see on the blueprint, we've got a little setback from the road, the sidewalk and all, which is city property. So we've got to determine exactly what that setback is, kind of determine where our property line is, and then from that property line, get our lines where we want to put in the retaining wall. We've got to get some elevations on that, because as long as your retaining wall is lower than 3 feet, you don't need a permit. And so we want to be about 210, 211. And so we're really going to just try to get that sorted out. So we've run our gyro, and we found that when we're at the grade here on our measuring device, we're at 4 feet 4 inches. When we go up to the higher grade where our property line is, we're at 2 feet 2 inches, so that we have just determined that there is a 2 feet 2 inch separation between the two grades. And so we need to be under a 3 foot retaining wall. And so we make that by 10 inches. So we seem to be great.